실례합니다. Have we met? You seem familiar. This entire place seems familiar, but nobody seems to know me here, and I don't even remember how I came to be here. I was in this library, and I have exams coming up, and...
Forget it, Jake. It's the roulette game. Things change. The cylinder spins. Some stamps get cancelled. We're going to do things differently. There's a time to contemplate, to model actions. There's a time to make action. We're gonna rip the wings off butterflies. We're gonna flap our own hurricanes. The dark days are gonna be the swing and a swang doodle of a blow. Let's be mad flappers, you and I. Grab your glad rags. Let's get loaded and jive. The fool's prerogative. We taint our honor with irreverence. Because doing the impossible is a rudeness to reality. Because respect will get this planet dead. And so we cleave to the sacred obscenities. It's our turn. The barrel puckers, the cylinder spins.
QBL Media News. We are the world.
Tonight's top story. Authorities have identified several individuals connected with the as-yet unidentified radical political group which made the recent terrorist attack on Kaiden, Tokyo. Authorities have released images of the suspects. The suspects were recently seen in Kaiden, despite the quarantine wall. Officials state that these suspects are involved with a still active death cult and are to be considered extremely dangerous. Do not approach. Report any sightings to authorities. We will keep you updated as the eyes of the world turn on the most wanted fugitives of the century.